It's Hatchet Fever.
Hatchet Fever! Hatchet Fever!
I'm Miko.
I'm Bullet.
I'm Angel.
Let's crow.
Yeah, if you didn't think.
And hold up. We're making cookies. Oh yeah. First step. Okay. Do I read the ingredients or not?
No.
Okay. Preheat the oven to 360 degrees. Cream butter, sugar, and brown sugar until it's nice and fluffy. So we're mixing it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should do that first, yeah. Or the oven, that's fine too.
Yeah, you go do that.
Do everything for us, bro.
Yeah.
I forgot to say something.
Oh, okay, so we have to mix that, not that, that. I'll be real, I didn't read how much of each.
Then read it again.
Sounds like somebody else.
Oh,
no.
All right.
Okay,
Let's see. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
okay, we need, half a cup of sugar.
Yeah, you do that. Go on.
One and a half.
Where do I put the sugar?
Yeah.
We need a bowl, that's pretty fun.
Crow, get us a bowl.
Wait, no, in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
He wants to do us a favor of getting it.
I can't.
Okay, yep, you're doing great. You're doing great, sweetie. We're getting there.
Oh, wait, no.
Nope. Just lift it up.
Oh, hell.
No, you lift up. You got this.
Oh yeah.
We did it. Okay.
Oh, this looks like it's right. Yeah, one and a half.
Okay.
How much sugar?
Okay, all this goes in there.
A half cup sugar.
Where does this go?
No.
No, I took the dye.
Okay. Let's see.
Is the order important?
We're mixing it all. So. We have brown sugar, and then we need butter.
How much butter?
I think we're right. Let's see. 2 6.
2.6. Okay. Is this 2.6?
1 cup, 2 6. Yeah, looks like it.
So good. Spoon, I guess, right? Yeah. Okay. They call me the cooker. The way we cooking.
Let's see.
Oh boy.
We also have to mix that for like 3 minutes.
Okay. We can do that, right? This is a lot of butter, man. Why does it sound like this? Where aren't we? Okay, that's an issue.
Wait, I have fish in here.
Can we say it, twin?
You know what?
Just wash your hands afterwards, man.
Yeah. I mean, I think I have to. I'm all buttered up.
Okay,
What?
bro.
At least it's not oil.
Say it. Say anything.
Okay.
I think we mixed it.
Sorry.
We're gonna sound, man.
I'm sorry.
Okay, and then,
Real question is how to get this back in there. Hold on. I got an idea. Oh boy. Wait.
and then I'm gonna set up a timer on this part.
Woo!
You got it. Alright.
And I mixed it for 3 minutes.
A medium.
What's it on? Anything on my phone.
No, I need to start timer.
Yeah, I know. I'm reading through. Okay. 3, 2.
We should probably get in there. Yeah.
You seriously gonna wash your hands, man?
Yeah.
Need help.
Alright. How's the mixer go over there? That's a good question. That wasn't my joke.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start the mixer.
Question.
Start
Okay.
the mixer, bro. Start the mixer, bro.
Who's starting the mixer, bro?
Bro.
Yay!
Now we wait. yeah. In the meantime, never mind. We have to wait 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Take off. Okay.
Oh.
No, stop that. Oh, that was
It's
really
finished.
Okay. We have to get eggs, right?
Eggs? Can I do the egg cracking? Sorry.
Yes, you can do the egg cracking. Okay, both eggs and vanilla. How much vanilla are we adding?
Where is the oh, yeah.
Oh, 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Oh, that's 1 teaspoon.
Do I add it?
Yeah, put it in.
Or just let me do nothing, that's fine.
Oh, yeah. You can do the other egg in here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we should maybe like find the.
Oh,
Oh, I just
it's okay, I got
dropped
it.
that.
I got it.
Oh, so I'm gonna use this.
Okay,
I love cracking eggs.
okay, medium speed 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, goody!
Aren't we supposed to like scrape down the sides into it as well?
No? Yeah. I mean, at some point.
Questions?
Do you know Hatchet fever?
No. Crow, when are you gonna speak?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do. What's with the mask again?
The oxygen thing, dude.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Wait, it's
We've
not okay.
been doing this one, dude.
Oh my god.
Stop. Oh no.
No, be grateful that you're not here, okay?
Crow, this is
Like,
the
you
Lord.
could be in that basement right now. Whoa, don't try to shoot me. Hold it back, hold it back.
Oh my god.
Hold it back, hold it back, hold it back. 56, 54, 53, 52.
Breathe in. I'm sorry, but you can't breathe the air.
Okay. I think it needs to go
Let's
back
count
to
to
the basement.
3. 1, 2, 3, and back down. 3, 2, 1.
30.
Are you calm now?
29.
Oh.
I think you should put it back in the basement.
No.
What? No, this is for food.
Promise him, dude. Come on.
20.
It's okay.
19.
Back up, get the back.
17.
Stop.
16.
We're trying to be nice to him today.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, what?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Okay, we should have a really big spoon.
I know, guy. Okay, baking powder, baking soda, salt, flour. Okay, baking powder.
How do I lift this?
Okay, 1 teaspoon baking soda.
Because we might need to like
Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Yeah. You know, I remember my dad used to put these in pancakes, but like a lot of it, and it was just pure baking soda. Pretty great.
Oh, wow.
You ever had baking soda like straight up before?
Yeah.
It's pretty great.
It's not great.
Agree, disagree. Okay. This doesn't feel smart. Think about it.
Good luck, everybody else!
Crow? I think I have to agree. We might have to put you back in the basement for that one. Don't touch that ever again. Ever.
I did say we put
Ever.
this guy up for adoption.
Okay, that's a little too far, man. I don't.
You want to put a dog in something?
Wait. Violence! Stop!
1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Where's
No!
baking powder? Woo!
Don't
Play with me now.
violence without
Don't play with me.
meaning
Time
or
out corner.
purpose.
Go.
Time out corner. Cooking. Cook. Okay, 1 minute. Does it say 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. That looks like a half. That's good enough. Yeah. If you have to figure out how to get 3/4 of a teaspoon.
Who did that?
And how much flour?
Am I doing
2 cups. Yeah, you can figure that out on your own.
Salt in there.
Woo!
Whoa. That must have been like some kind of blessing.
Yeah, must have been the wind, man. Thanks, wind. This is convenient.
I don't think it was the wind, guys. I think that was like a calling from above. Trying to tell us that.
You're right. Thank you, other angel.
Girl, help.
What do you mean, girl? Girl caused this.
Oh, no help! Don't touch me, girl.
Yeah, yep.
2 3/4 cups.
Look
Okay.
at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
I'm thinking of, yeah, this looks pretty convenient, yeah.
How cute!
This is measuring in cups, right? Am I geeking? Yep, okay. 2 and how much cups?
No. Maybe? Yeah.
That looks right to me, man, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I think another one, yeah.
Yep.
Oh boy.
They call us the bakers for a reason. Right?
Nobody calls that.
That will take 2 cups to meet. Yeah. Did I get it?
I think you got it.
Where are you?
This is a painful watch.
You're gonna die come midnight. Okay, hold on. Does that look like 3/4 of a cup?
I think you have to flatten it out.
Yeah.
Does that look, no, that's not 3/4 of a cup, man.
The little like bottom and then like just.
Surely that's not too much, right? Right?
Just the bottom of that thing and like flatten it out. That's what I usually do. Come here. Okay. I don't know.
Yeah, this is only gonna do so much, man. You don't think that's 3/4? It's like really sideways. Well, if it's too much, we'll find out later.
We'll just die.
Should be.
Oh yeah. This is how you do it, right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Maybe not, maybe not. We'll clean this up. It'll be okay.
No! God, please, no! No!
Okay, so
No!
stir it. It's really well.
No!
What a sight. I love you guys. I love you guys. Next one. Yes. No more, man.
I think we have to add it more.
ID, bro. Okay. It's gonna look bad. It's not my fault. I said we shouldn't, but we're doing it anyway. I won't hold you. What? It's like... yeah, good thing I'm good at mopping. Yeah, does that look fully incorporated? Should we have to look at
Okay. Try again. Just like maybe give it a minute more.
Is this what it's supposed to look like? Oh! Okay. Where? Yeah, I caught on, man. I caught on.
Oh, the poor phone. The poor
I can't really
phone.
tell.
I mean, probably.
Oh, for sure.
Let me help, twin.
Where do we put chocolate chips, twin? Right here. Okay.
Oh boy. You need help, bro.
Maybe we shouldn't bake anymore, man. I don't.
Maybe you shouldn't bake anymore.
How many do I put in?
Just put all of it, man.
Not all of it, man. Like half of it, twin.
Yeah, put all of it.
I guess, man.
Chrono's ball.
Wait, what are we putting? Yeah, because I like. Sure, that we're doing this right. Oh my god. Yep. Right to me. Hey, I'm wait.
Quite the batch.
They call me the cleaner. We're gonna be cleaning.
Wow.
Oh, I'm cleaning, all right.
Do you think we should mix this a little more?
Well, yeah, we gotta mix the
Yeah.
chips in there, and we'll probably get crushed or something, yeah.
You just gotta put it a little slower, you know, like.
I found out pretty fast, yeah.
I don't think we should put you mixing anymore.
Yeah, no, I'd rather not. I don't think I'm the best at it, honestly. Like, I need a little bit of work, for sure, but I'll get there one day.
One day for sure.
One day, maybe far away.
Oh my gosh. There's flour everywhere.
It's okay.
I wonder who caused this. I wonder who just threw it all
Right.
into flour.
God, me too.
Whoops. I wonder who threw flour at us.
Man, me too.
Who threw flour at us?
Questions. But are there any answers? And I didn't put it up yet. Hold on. Yeah. Oh boy. You do it, actually. No. I think that looks right, yeah. How long do we leave that in?
Yeah, you can't overbeat it, so
Okay.
you don't want to stop.
You think it's good? That looks pretty thick to me. It just said it had to be thick.
Okay, yeah,
So
that's
good
good.
on parchment? So I think
Yeah.
we might
Do you
want
have
to
like one of those ice cream sticks?
I will not hold
That
you.
usually
We
helps with
should lean first, like, so we can.
Oh my god.
Man, it's edible blood. It's just tired of this, man.
Oh, there's a salt.
Yes. Oh, there's like a crumb bar everywhere. I just think we need space for it.
Guys, Crow did something!
Whoa! That's new.
Huh. Maybe you earned a point. Whoa. No, I think you just earned yourself an extra minute of sun time.
Sunlight.
Yeah, sunlight time.
That's new. Alright. Oh, that's not good. Do you want to do it? Yeah, let's try it. I mean, got it out.
Should we like scrape any of the stuff from the top?
Yeah, that's what we're planning. You're doing great, sweetie. Little big way. We're so proud. You know, I don't think we need all that batter, man. I think we're good, man. Yeah.
There's so much flour.
Oh my. Wonder whose fault that.
There's
I
still
know, me
flour unmixed in here.
Oh well. Only so much you can do, man.
What? Guys?
Nice.
Maybe it's a little underbeat, but I don't know.
Under? Really? I think
There's bits of flour. I don't know. Might be from the
No, I think it's from the incident.
yeah. the incident.
Like it didn't just happen. We're gonna talk about this like a horror story. You know the picture of Mr. Krabs and SpongeBob?
Yeah.
At the campfire? Yeah. I would know. You would know.
If anyone else wants a turn to scoop, they can have one. Hey, buddy. You okay? Hey. Should I move any of these? I'm kind of running out of space.
I think we can just cut them at this point. Yeah, I don't know.
Reaching close to it.
Not my original joke, by the way. You made it up, yeah. On the spot. They call you the comedian. Will you be a comedian?
Whoa, you're like so good with your words.
You should really do stand up. You know, like I think you're the funniest guy ever. Like you should.
No, I don't
like,
know
you
about
should stand up.
Hey, buddy.
should I get the other tray now or not yet?
Oh. You can eat?
Come on, dude. You're. Oh.
I feel bad for touching these with my hands even though they're technically clean.
They are, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna fight your crow. You're not crow.
I am crow.
You're not crow. Hey, crow.
Hey, Colin.
I'm not.
Oh, someone left an eggshell.
What? That wasn't me. I checked mine.
Me
Mine
too.
didn't leave any.
It's okay. It's only this.
A little scallywag trying to interfere. Sorry, you're just so scared. There you go. That's definitely where do I put this one? Right?
Just kind of stick it there. We'll kind of start later. Why don't we?
We still have a lot of dough to go.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, okay.
Technically, we might want that. Yeah.
Should we
Let's
like
do it next. IG, bro. I'll take the L. How will it work? Okay, I still know you work. We left it on top of the Eat it going. Want this? Me? Oh, I thought you never asked. Okay, man. I'll be real with you. I don't know how to work an oven. That's a good question. Hold on. It doesn't say for how long, man. It just kind of says preheat it. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Yeah. It's kind of like a carry up in here, dude. Oh my god. How's the red 40? Oh my god, you can eat. Baby's first red 40. How are you feeling?
How you feeling?
Like it? Okay, okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Hey, did we do 6 or 5 on the other one? Maybe 6 or 7. These are all gonna overcook. Hold on. It's a baby. That's gonna burn. Baby's gonna burn. You're no ball.
But it's gonna burn.
Excuse me.
Wait,
Your freaking baby's gonna burn. What are weapons? Okay, guys, you think those are good mini cookies? I think they're good.
yeah, we have raw cookies.
I gotta wash my hands.
Stop touching me!
Stop fighting!
Stop touching me! I'm sorry.
Your fault.
I'm sorry. I need to stop eating too much of this. I'm gonna get salmonella. What?
What?
Salmonella. I'm gonna get salmonella first.
Yeah.
Salmonella.
Maybe this guy will get it. Wait, no. I don't think he can get it, or any illness for that matter.
Wow.
I think we're good, yeah. Not anything else, at least.
Carl, you know what salmonella is?
Say it, Sam. Okay, don't tell him. Let's try to get it today, okay? It's a really good thing, okay? So, let's try it. It'll be good. What are we thinking?
Great.
I don't think it was that good, man.
If you're happy and you know it's not your hands.
No, you just gotta eat a whole bunch of this to get salmonella. And then you'll wake up in a funny place called the hospital. Oh!
Crow. Do you really want salmonella that badly?
I'll try it first. You're not poisoned. Just try it. No?
Good choice, Crow. Good choice. What are you guys doing to him?
You could have woke up in a magical place called the hospital. Yeah, it's like pretty. It has like beds and stuff.
There's sunlight there.
Here's sunlight there. Your favorite thing? Really? I thought it killed them. No, it doesn't.
Oh no.
Oh, I think his favorite thing is Skibby.
Hi.
I don't think he wants to be here, man. Do we deal with those here?
I don't like that.
Oh, wait, my heat is probably.
Yeah. Good enough?
Still pretty messy on the toothpick.
You should take them out of the crown because they're pretty. The ones towards the back. Oh, they're just gold looking. I think we should keep taking them in. I think we should just take you out. I think we should take you out.
Where's my toothpick?
Toothpick!
Why is this open?
Open sesame.
Hey, it's actually kind of clean. Wait.
I never.
I think they're
They're decent.
decently clean.
Let out. Okay. This is important.
Wow.
Yeah, they call us the cookies. You feel it, buddy? No. Okay.
It's got a little wabi-sabi.
Oh. These guys. You think they're good enough to like put stuff in here? Okay, I'm gonna. So, like, what do I do with it? Do I drizzle it or like? Oh yeah.
Can I decorate my own cookie?
Yeah.
No, you actually can't.
No. I can't have any cookies.
That's not funny. Not funny. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing.
I'm laughing because it's not funny. Oh yeah. It's blood. It's blood. It's blood. Yeah. They call it the bloody cookie. The way we blooding a cookie. Oh yeah, it's a bloody cookie. Oh, red 40 on the south. What's up? My mouth is filled with red 40.
Okay.
Mom with that bird.
Can we cut?
I see how you really feel about me.
Can we please cut this out? All of this. You guys need to cut it out.
Entire clip gone. Mom with that bird. Bird. Oh. Bird. Bird. My mom was kind of homeless.
Speed, I'm watching the stream right now. Why are you trying not to laugh, bro? That's disrespectful.
Is it a smiley face? A bloody smiley face?
That's like the movie Smile.
This is actually my object soda. His name is Hatchet Cookie.
Oh.
What you drawing there? Oh, how cute!
I think I know what this is.
Oh, wow.
You sure have some thoughts on your mind, huh?
Yeah.
It's wonderful, Crow. I love your artistic skills. You're so artistic.
This is wonderful. Yeah,
Artistic. Not to get it confused.
We may want to take him to a doctor again, man. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take him to a doctor. I want this one. I like this one. Thank you.
We all gotta make it a little wabi-sabi.
I was just about to say that.
I love King of the Hill.
It's got wabi-sabi.
You
Okay.
can't just make up words to win an argument.
Yo, I forgot what I was drawing. Are we real with you? Wait, no. I can get myself. back on
Wait,
track.
I think I know what this is, but I don't want to say anything.
No.
What?
So what do you think? I messed up.
Oh, I thought it was the hyperpigmentation.
No. I'm drawing something even better than that.
Is that hyperpigmentation? Is that plankton? Oh.
Wow.
I guess I have to draw Squidward with the little space I have. Sorry. It's Patrick's fat butt taking up too much room. This is Squidward if I seen it. Is Squidward in the
It looks
room
like
with
ketchup.
us?
You've seen better days.
Is Squidward in the room with us, guys?
No, look, that's the nose, that's the hips, that's the eyebrows.
I guess, man.
That's the mouth.
Where?
I'm tired of this.
Crow,
Let me
don't
not make
take
it
that.
look like that.
You can't write that. No!
Oh, no, I guess.
It's a little late now, man. I think we should just let it be.
I think that. Squidward. This was the Hatchets and the Fevers. I'm Miko.
I'm Bullet. Angel. That's Crow.
Bye bye.